we are gonna make Kutsinta.
Let's measure our ingredients.
So first, what we want to do is we're going to mix our annatto seeds with hot water. So let's just mix it in. Give it a good mix. We're done mixing the annatto seeds. Let's set it aside and let's mix all of our dry ingredients. We have our all-purpose flour, our cassava flour, our brown sugar. Let's mix it well. Now let's add the water gradually. So now, let's strain the annatto seeds from the hot water. And it should look like this. As you can see, the color has come out from the annatto seeds. And the water will turn slightly orange or reddish. So now that we're done straining it, it's time to add it into the mixture. Let's also add our lihia water.
Don't forget to mix it well.
So now, let's grease the puto cups with butter and then let's pour in our mixture.
Now let's strain the mixture to make sure that there are no lumps and to make sure that the mixture is smooth.
So now let's place the puto cups gently into the steamer. Okay guys, so now let's turn on the heat. And let's wait for 15 to 25 minutes. and just let it cool. Oh, that's a lot of steam. So now, let's let it cool. Okay guys, now that it has cooled down, let's take it out from the steamer and from the puto cups. Okay guys, we're finally done. For some weird reason, there's this weird liquid thing. I don't know what that is. So anyways, let's add our final touches. Okay guys, let's add the final touch. Whoa, look at this. It's so cute. They're so tiny. Look at that. Beautiful. Taste test time.
The first customer. The royal pizza. Choco. Sit. So this is Kutsintang. Oh, jelly. Dip ko na.
Jelly.
Are you ready for this? Is this ready for you? How was it? How was it? Very good? All paws up?
You like it?
2 paws up! Yay! Yeah! Okay.
Okay.
Very good.
Thank you. Jokey, you can go now.
No more. Let's go.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye, Choke Nut.